In this video, we are going to see how we can easily resolve this MCP management service error with a code of 15100. We are going to see a solution or a couple of solutions for you, and you can try them all, and definitely one of them might work for you. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, what you need to do is just open up the start menu and right here, services. Open this up, and once we are in here, just click on M because this is alphabetically arranged. So just type N on your keyboard and it will directly take you to the M section. And the first option is MCP management service. That's exactly what we want here. And startup type is set to manual. We'll keep it as it is, but the service status is stopped. We want to click on start to play it and click OK. After that, just close out of here. And after that, what else we can do is just open up the start menu, and we need to write here CMD, right click, run as administrator, click yes. If it asks, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes. And I'll just zoom it a little bit so that you can see everything clearly on the screen. We just have to write here SFC space / scan now. Scan now should be one word without any space. So you have to write in exactly the same way, hit enter, and it will begin the system scan. This process will take some time. Begin verification phase of the system scan. So verification is started. It is completed 3%, and we just have to wait until it completes it fully. So once the verification is complete, it will either resolve and show you the error update, or it will show you that Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations. So that is a good thing. After that, just close out of here, and we need to restart our computer once to make all of this effective. And after that, you can just try running that application or that update, whatever you were doing again, and you should face no problem in accessing that. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, just comment down below if that works for you. If this doesn't work, what works for you? Just remember to mention in comments so that it can help all the community out here, because we are in this together, so we have to help each other to resolve this problem. And with this said, this is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.